Hello, I am Ankit Alex Hansa. You are 15 CS258, and I'm making this video for the ninth experiment of Java Lab. The aim of this experiment is to make a starry sky animation using applet. So, for implementation, first of all, I have imported required header files, that is applets and AWT and some of the other. And moving on for the implementation, we will make a class with the uh, name of the program, and it extends the class Java standard class applet, so we can use the applet functions. In the applet we have predefined methods which we have to implement, that are init, start, and paint. So first of all, in init I will first set the background color to be black and foreground color to be white, because to show the contrast between star and the sky. And then we will give the size of the I have initialized a variable max width and max breadth, that is the dimensions of dimensions of the applet that which will be run. And this max size, it is the size of the maximum size of the stars in pixels. Next, I have made two arrays x and y. These are to store the randomly generated positions of the stars, which I'll generate later. So moving on towards the in the paint function. So moving on to the paint function. In the paint function, we will use those randomly generated positions to uh, paint the stars all over the screen. Which I am using the command g dot fill oval with the positions and in which are run in the array, and the size to be x1, which we will change uh, with time, so which will give a twinkling star animation. So the main part, the main implementation we will do in the start function. In the start function, first of all, I have started an array which will produce 100 random position, that is for the 100 stars, and each will be under the range of the dimensions of the applet. Next, I have made a thread. This thread is to produce delay between the changing in the position, changing of the size of the stars, to reduce the animation effect. So for the animation, what I'm doing is I'm incrementing the size of the stars till it becomes the maximum size, and I've also made used a pointer to point that it is currently increasing. So when the size reaches the maximum size, the pointer is set, and and while the pointer is set, the position I mean the size variable decreases till it becomes 0. When the size becomes 0, the pointer is then set 0. So using so this when this code repeats again and again, the stars grow in size, then decrease in size, producing the tinkling animation. So this is, and to show that, to actually make that visible to our eyes, we will use the sleep function. That is, we will let the thread sleep for about 100 milliseconds, and then repaint the stars with its new size in the star. So this is how we will making the animation. So let's see the implementation. So as you can see, here we have a starry sky, and here a twinkling effect can be seen. The size of the stars is first increasing, then decreasing, creating a twinkling starry sky animation. So as you can see, we have successfully implemented our program. Thank you for watching.